Behind the hook, behind the hook. Okay guys, this is not a race, ha? This is not a race. This is the drill which will improve your body movement.
Okay.
No need to run. Just follow the instruction of Coach Mike, which is jump. Okay, next is high knees. Okay, high knees tayo. Go to the other side. Okay, every line pa rin. So listen to the whistle of Coach Chan. So first line, jump the high knees. High knees to the, going to the other side. Ready? Go. High knees.
High knees daw, Mickey, yung taas na gano'n.
Second line. Heads up, don't move on the floor. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth line. Okay, last. Go. Good. Okay, next, kick back. Tingnan niyo si Coach Chan. Your heel must touch your butt. Okay? Again, at the same time, arms should be swinging. Okay? Then, boys, this is not a race. As much as possible, look in front.
Okay, pagkamahin mo sa puwet. Pagkamahin mo sa puwet.
Eyes looking in front. Avoid looking on the side. Hindi to race. You're not doing any race here.
Hindi, gagayahin mo yung ginagawa niyo.
Okay, next. Okay, that's Coach Luis for the leg throw.
Okay,
gayahin mo yan. Okay, Coach Luis, go. Knee should be straight. Arms bent. Swing. Okay, going to the other side. Okay, ready? First side. Leg throw. Okay, next drill is skip. Okay, boys, listen. Next drill is skip. Okay, skip. Okay, short distance, pero mabilis yung movement ng legs. Ready? Okay, very good. Actually, boys, skipping, then malalaman kung well-organized or well-coordinated upper and lower body. Keeping forward, not sideways. Keep forward, not sideways. That's it. That's better. Good. Okay, next is power skip. Stage is skipping, pero this time, unless na, it's either na moving forward, this time, jumping upwards na. Okay? Then jumping upwards, skipping din yan. But this time, jumping upwards. Okay? Okay, right arm up, right knee up. Okay, left knee up, left arm up. Okay? Go. Okay, same this is a skipping, but instead of moving forward, this time, you should be jumping upward.
Taas ang kamay, taas ang kamay.
Jump straight up para kayo mag-delay up.
Sa Pepito Maladoto daw yun. Ay, gano'n. May gano'n malan.
Okay, so right now, everybody face your right. Okay, you will be moving sideways, going to this side. Even si Coach Chan, ngayon lang. Just move sideways, stand straight. Okay. Ready? First line, go.
Side lateral.
Make sure you're moving left, going to your left. So, kailangan left foot ang nauna. Kailangan left foot ang nauna.
Binigyan ko ng pera. Serious, serious.
Ayun na, galit.
Hindi naman, hindi naman mabilis.
Okay, so from here, everybody face to your left. Ganun pa rin. Okay, you'll be moving sideways, but this time going to your right. So as much as possible, ang first step nyo should be right. Okay? Ready? First line. Go.
Wala ko bang laro. Tiga siya sa screen.
Okay, again, still moving sideways. This time, Carioca step.
Hirap na yan.
For short distance laterals. Okay, Carioca or grapevine steps. Okay, so first time, face to your left, listen to the whistle of Coach Chad. Okay,
Mga bata ba?
very good. That's it. So, problema kita natin if you guys have good footwork.
Okay, side. Side.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Ganun, tapos likod.
Aray ko.
If some of you are having a hard time, don't worry. Okay,
Parang likod.
maybe after 7 session, kaya na yan.
Wala ka ba? Wala ka wala ka na.
Okay, so first, boys, harap na muna kayo dito sa akin. Boys, you come to event here para mag-basketball, training to learn basketball. So please, for the smaller guys, avoid horseplaying. Okay? Kasi some accident or injury, okay, dyan natin makakuha yun. You didn't come here to play. You came here to learn. Is that clear? Clear na tayo doon? Okay, so
Sige.
face that side. Right, face your left. One more step.